So how's it going, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix a stuck caliper, especially on these new 2018 Hondas. For some reason they like to get stuck. This is way I kind of fixed it. So basically what you're gonna want to do is take off the cover off the caliper, the little electronic motor. I think it's like two Allen keys, bolts in the back, and then you just take those off and it should just come right off, just like I'm showing you guys in the video. It separates it from the motor, from the pure caliper. And then you're gonna need one of the special Torx female connectors, or I mean sockets, and then you're just gonna want to twist it away from the caliper. I'll have a picture showing you guys which way to turn it according to Honda, and for me that fixed the stuck caliper that was wasting my brake pad on the driver's side rear pads. It was wasting them real quick, so hopefully this fixes your guys' problem. I'm pretty sure it should probably be a recall, but for my example, this is what fixed it. Hopefully this fixes it for you guys. If not, then it's definitely a manufacturer defect, I believe. But anyway, thanks for watching. See ya.